I am going to explain a very important topic which is called area between the curve. How we calculate area between two curves, or how we calculate area between a bounded curve with ordinate. So anything, they can ask question, but you can do very simply, and how I will explain here. So first draw the picture of given curve. Suppose this is the curve. Or any curve, no matter. Suppose I have taken this curve y is equal to fx. This is 3, this is 0, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Suppose for example I have taken one curve which cuts x-axis at which point 0 and 3. Any curve which they ask, easily come to know the curve cuts x-axis at which point. How? Just put y value 0. Because on x-axis y value 0, so just put y value 0 on the given curve. You come to know, yes, it cuts these 2 points or many points or whatever. So suppose we have one curve y is equal to fx. It cuts x-axis at 0 and 3. Now the question is, what is the area between this curve y is equal to fx and x-axis? Correct. So it cuts x-axis at 0 and 3. So the area between the curve, whenever they ask, what you do? Just simply plot a vertical line on the given region, because area means it is always a closed region. Bounded region required to calculate area, otherwise area will become infinite. So whenever first part is just calculate bounded region. What is the bounded region for which we are going to calculate area? Once you know that, then draw a vertical line in that region. You are free to draw line either vertical or horizontal. I will explain what we do when we take horizontal line. Suppose I have taken vertical line. Once you draw vertical line in that region, suppose the region is divided into 2 parts because curve change their shape. I will explain in some question. That time you have to do separately for both the region. If a single curve is there, there is no change, because see here y is equal to fx only is there. Suppose one more function, it change from here, it shapes is circle type, then we will think about in different way. But we have to do separately for that. For this curve, once you draw the line, vertical line, area is nothing, because you drawn vertical line. So just calculate y value at upper end of that line. See, upper end lies on which curve? Y is equal to fx. Correct? Means y. Whatever y value is there, just put here. What is y value at denominator? Means at lower end value is, lower end lies here. If it lies here, then check what is y value here. Whatever. Here lower end lies on this. So here what is y value? 0. Integrate with respect to x from limit. Suppose this is a and suppose general this is b, a to b. So a to b y dx. Correct? This is area between this curve and x-axis. from A to B. For example, now for this question, area between the curve y square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to 4ay. How we find area between these two curves? So first we have to draw. Drawing is easy because both are parabola and both vertex at 0 only, and y square is equal to 4x means x always positive, means which side? This side. X positive. This is y square is equal to 4x, and x always positive means y always positive means this curve. X square is equal to 4ay. Because whatever x you choose, y value always positive means this curve. X square 4ay. So what is the bounded region here? Here bounded region means this one. This is our bounded region. Means we have to calculate area between of this one. So how we calculate? Already I told. What is intersection point? Both intersect at origin means 0, 0, and the intersection of this point. Take intersection of these 2 points. How? Just put x value in this and calculate y value, and then put y value. So intersection point is 4a comma 4a here. So now I am going to calculate area. So what is the procedure? Draw a vertical line in this region. Now what is the area? Y value at upper end. Upper end lies here. Upper end lies here. What is y value? Root 4x. What is lower end? Lower end lies here. What is y value? X square by 4a dx. Now limit. Limit always for x. If you taken vertical line, then x limit. If you taken horizontal line, it means y limit you have to take, and here with respect to y. So that a question we will do later. So what is starting point? What is x value here? Starting from 0. What is ending point of x? 4a. So x value at starting point and x value at end point of the region is your limit. Now integrate. So root 4a root x integration x to the power 3 by 2 multiplied by 2 by 3. What is the limit? 0 to 4a. Minus x means 1 by 4a common, x cube by 3. Limit 0 to 4a. Simplify root 4a into 2 by 3. X cube becomes 4a to the power 3 by 2. When you put 0, 0. Minus 1 by 4a at 12 into 64 a cube. So what is the value? Root 4a. 4a to the power 3 by 2 means 1 by 2 means 4a square means 32 a square by 3 minus this is a cancel a square 16 by 3 a square. So what is the final value? 16 a square by 3. So this is second question unit. We can in this way we can calculate what happened if suppose in this question we have taken horizontal line. So nothing. Horizontal line means, by another way I will explain. Horizontal line means just draw a horizontal line in the region. Now replace x by y. What is the area? X value at upper end. Upper end means here. What is the value? 4ay and w minus x value at lower end. What is lower end value? Y square by 4a with dy. Now limit of integration is What is y starting value? 0. What is y ending value? 4a. Now see, and when you calculate, what do you calculate? Same value, 16a square by 3. Now I will explain one question in which I will draw the picture also. One more question we will do. That question is based on, suppose find the area between the curve x square plus y is equal to 9 and line x plus 1 is equal to 0 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. Find the area between this curve. So here, what is given curve? X square is equal to 9 minus y. This is what? Parabola. Which type? X square is equal to 4ay. So first we draw the sketch, roughly sketch. So what is x value? X value is capital X means small x only, there is no change. But for y, what is the value? 9 minus y. So the vertex of this curve, here 4a is equal to 1, capital Y is 9 minus y, and capital X is equal to x only. So vertex we all know it is 0, 0. For which curve? For x square is equal to 4ay. Here you take minus common, so y minus 9 minus 1. So x square is equal to minus 4ay, or whatever. Vertex is 0, 0. So here x value, capital X 0 and capital Y how much? 9 minus y. So here vertex is for this curve x, small x 0 only, but capital Y when 0, what is small y? 9. So vertex is 0, 9. Now this curve intersects x-axis at x-axis means y value 0, means x square is equal to 9. So what is x value? Minus 3 minus plus minus 3 means plus minus 3. So how we draw the curve? X, y. Because minus 4y, which type? Minus 4y means it is downside, and vertex at 0, 9 means x 0, y 9. So somewhere here 0, 9. Vertex is this one. Now cuts x-axis as minus 3 and plus 3. So what is the roughly sketch? This type. This is the sketch for which curve? X square plus y is equal to 9. Now what is second curve? X plus 1 is equal to 0. Means x is equal to minus 1. So what is that line? This one. This is x is equal to minus 1. And what is second one? X equal to 2. This line is x is equal to 2. So what is the bounded region? Bounded region is this one. This is the bounded region between these all three curves. Now come to a point. How we calculate area? Area means draw a vertical line anywhere. Suppose I draw it. See, this line covers up to this. Nothing change in any curve. Because if you go move this side, so upper end always lies on this and lower end lies on x-axis. And now area. What is area? Because horizontal vertical line is this, so we know y value at upper end. What is y value at upper end? 9 minus x square. What is y value at lower end? 0. Integrate with respect to x from limit minus 1 to what is x limit? Starting point at minus 1 and ending point at 2. So what is the final value? 9x minus x cube by 3. Limit from minus 1 to 2. So put 2 values. So 18 18 minus 8 by 3 minus 9 plus 1 by 3, so 46 by 3 plus 3 minus 1, x value minus 1 means minus 9 plus 1 by 3, right? So times plus 26 by 3, so 22 by 3 is 24 by 3. So this one. So thank you, and hopefully I think you understand how we calculate the area between the curve. It's not matter, it's very simple. Just you have to draw the curve and draw the reason for which we are going to calculate area. Once you draw your part over, just to draw a vertical line and put upper y value minus lower value y at lower end, and put x limit from a starting point to ending point. So easily you can calculate area of any curve. Thank you. If any problem is there, you can message me. I will try to solve. Thank you.